Almost 2026. Good job.
Pag manatog anak sa coins, pray ta. Pag pray, i-ana atong place.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! New Year, tagay ko. Happy New Year! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ikaw lang sa gawas. Ikaw lang magsusugawan. You're guru-guru. Why? Ayaw niyo.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so small. Oh! Yo, look! I saw the fireworks! Yo, yo! Yes, I saw the fireworks! Guys, did you saw that right now? There's some big fireworks like blowing to the sky.
Okay na.
There's a
Ikaw, bindita na ta. Ikaw lang bubukas. Ay, kita sa.
yeah, all together we'll see it. Yeah. Oh, oh.
Ay, basa ka?
Yeah,
Basa to sa
it's in my eyes. It's in my eyes. Guys, I swear it's literally in my eyes. Oh my god. Guys, it's now 2026. The end of the month. Yeah. But we still got like 10 years. Yeah, I always feel like there's ghosts in my room. So I
Na-close din ang bintana ba? Pero kamasi, ta. Saka, niya, sinipas ka sa. Ay, bakit niya?
Okay, let's go downstairs because I don't feel air over here. Okay, I feel air now. Okay. you take this one, and also this. So this is right here. Yeah. We were getting ready. So recently, they just play like some fireworks there. I was like, bro, it's not yet New Year. Like, it was not in December 31, okay? It's in December 23, bro. I forgot to turn all phones upside down. And it was nothing. Yes, we finally have our own camera right now. So, this is the happiest day ever. So ghost, don't you go here. What's this?
Ay! Yung flashlight.
Oh
Nabuhay.
nah. Nah. I
Stop sa. Nabuhay.